Rest the arms by the side of the body. And as you relax the shoulders, make sure you're back at the top of your mat, your arms by the side of the body, and you can relax the shoulders more. Let your chin come slowly to your chest. Let your arms get heavier. Let the vertebrae of your spine, one by one, roll down towards the mat. Place your palms in front of your feet and start to walk your legs backwards into a downward facing dog where you lengthen the spine. Take another moment here, stretch your back, and find again that reset in the center, lengthening in an even way your entire back. Inhalation, shift you forward into plank pose, push-up position. Lower the pelvis down, lower knees to the mat. Please take the toes out. Bend the elbows, lower your chest down, and comfortably rest right cheek on the mat. Send your right arm extension to the right shoulder. Make sure the left palm remains below the left shoulder. Press a bit more into your left palm. Lift the left leg up. Today you bend your left knee and try to step the left foot behind the straight right leg. You try to bend the left knee and step the left foot behind the straight right leg in the region more or less of your knee. So make sure the ankle steps behind the straight right leg in the region of your knee. Keep the same relationship between the legs and slowly lower the body down. So you still have that figure 4 in your legs. Extend your left arm to the left side. Place the left cheek down on the mat. So we return to lay down on the belly. Your left knee is bent. Your left ankle is on top of your straight right knee. And then we bend the right knee and kind of fold the left ankle between the calf and the thigh. Bend your right knee. Lift your right leg up as you bend your right knee. And your left ankle is folded between your calf and your thigh of the right leg. Place your left cheek on the mat. Draw your right palm below the right shoulder. And as you press a little bit more into the right palm, lift your knee up and step the right foot behind you. Exactly. I think we all got it. Take a moment to relax more the head, to relax more the shoulders. Take your time to feel that wonderful expansion in the chest that this position provides. Breathe a little bit deeper into the belly. Try to notice all the areas that this position helps you open up. Gradually return your body back to the center. Straighten your legs behind you. Draw both palms beneath your shoulders. And let's rest the forehead on the mat. Roll the shoulders forward and up. Press into the palm. Lift the head, the chest, rising all the way to your up dog once again. Tuck the toes in, disconnect knees off the mat. Back to downward facing dog we go as we lengthen the back. Let the head drop, resetting in the center. Inhale back into plank pose or push-up position. Lower pelvis down, open the chest, expand your heart back to our up dog. Lower knees down, take the toes out, bend the elbows, and comfortably lower your body back to the mat. Take a moment here to place your left cheek on the mat, right palm below the right shoulder. Please extend the left arm, extension to the left shoulder, and make sure your neck is comfortable. Press more to the right palm. Lift the right leg up. Today we bend the knee and we place the right foot behind the straight left leg in the region of the knee. Place the right foot behind the straight left leg at the region of the knee. Breathe deep and slow, inhale and exhale. And with the same relationship between the legs, return your body back down to lay on the belly. Extend your right arm, extension to the right shoulder. Place your right cheek on the mat. Place your left palm below the left shoulder. Make sure you're all here together. Left palm below the left shoulder. Right arm extension to the right shoulder. Right ankle is on the back of your left knee. Bend your left knee to fold within it the right ankle. And then press to the left palm. Lift the legs and tilt your pelvis. Open your chest. Press into your left palm. In the beginning, it feels like weird. Wait, how am I going to go there? And then when you press into the palm, it's like, okay. And you can really ease into that final position. Make sure there's no pain in your shoulders here. Make sure you can relax your head on something. And you can breathe into all the areas that this very special position lets you open and stretch. Invite energy to flow. Invite attention to grow inside your body. Gradually from here, take your time to return back to lay on your belly. Send your legs behind you. For a moment, place your left cheek on the ground, arms by your sides, extension to the shoulders, palms facing down. Try to feel yourself back at the center, balancing between the sides of your neck. Take a deep inhalation, and as you exhale, comfortably rest your forehead on the mat. Not too far, not too much, not too forceful. Start and lift off the ground the arms and the chest. Try to feel as if something below you pushes you up, reaches with your forehead, lift your forehead to the sky, opens up your chest. Try to lift the arms off the mat and grow and rise as if you're flying. Beautiful. And then peacefully land back down on the mat. Rest your right cheek on the ground.